Here's my review on the Bionic Blade 26 ounces. Single-speed white rechargeable portable Bionic 6-blade blender. Bionic Blade blender bottle has 1/2 liters, 490 milliliters, capacity so you can blend your favorite drinks. To operate, press power button 2 times. Jam-proof and leak-proof lid. Comes with a USB cord. Length, foot 2 feet. USB rechargeable and energy efficient, built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Protective blade cover located at the bottom of the blender. Comes with a 26-ounce BPA cup. Let's give it a test. On my strawberry banana smoothie. Push button twice. I've noticed my liquid base is seeping underneath the blade area. The shake for smooth. Demonstrating with blueberry and watermelon. Shake well. Did pretty much better this go. Easy to clean. I give the Bionic Blade an overall 4 stars rating. Let's hear it. Express your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.